Hello, so we are now here in the advanced dice game of OOP, and here is a preview, and let's start coding. It says, in this project you will learn algorithmic thinking by building a dice game. There are a total of 6 rounds, and for each round the player can roll the dice up to 3 times and collect a score. The HTML and CSS have been provided for you, feel free to explore them. When you are ready, use a query selector all method. And I want to tell you that the query selector all method is a method used to manipulate all elements with the same class selector. So we will use that method to target all elements with the class of die and assign it to a constant called list of all dice. So we have to write the const and then the name list of all and assign it to the document. So we are interacting with the document object model to access the CSS to manipulate it here in our JavaScript as we are now doing it. So document query selector all and then with the selector of dice. That would be it. Nice.